boys and girls. Last week we learned about the planets of the solar system. Today we're going to take a closer look at the order of the planets in the solar system. Talking about those that are closest to the sun and all the way out to the very last planet. Now I'm going to be using fruit and vegetables to demonstrate a model of those planets. So let's go over our model. I'm going to be using a head of cabbage to represent the largest planet, Jupiter. I've got 2 apples that represent Neptune and Uranus because they're about the same size. I've got 2 grapes that represent Venus and Earth because they're also about the same size. I'm using a red raspberry to represent the red planet of Mars, a squash to represent the planet of Saturn, and finally, a pea to represent the smallest planet, which is Mercury. Now I have a set of clue cards that are going to help us order our planet. So, are you ready to begin? Let's go. Earth, Jupiter, Mercury, and Venus, and Mars are the 5 planets closest to the sun. So, Earth and Venus, put there. Jupiter, Mercury, and Mars. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's right. Clue number 2. Saturn is closer to Earth than Neptune. Okay? So I'm just going to put Saturn here and Neptune behind it since it's closer to Earth. Clue number 3. Long ago, astronomers found that Mercury and Venus are the only 2 planets closer to the sun than Earth. Okay? Well, I've got Mercury behind Earth and Venus here, so I think I should probably move that. And Earth is in front of Venus, so I need to move that behind. I need to move Earth behind Venus. So Mercury and Venus are closer to the sun than Earth. Okay, that's correct. Let's keep going. Clue number 4. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter are the 4 planets farthest from the sun. Okay, so the 4, that's 4, so I need to rearrange Mars. I'm going to put Mars in front of Jupiter so that our clue is right. Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus are the 4 that are farthest from the sun. Let's stop and look at how we're doing. Let's keep moving. Clue number 5. Uranus is between Saturn and Neptune. Okay, well here's Saturn, and I need to rearrange these. So Uranus is between Saturn and Neptune. So far so good. Let's keep moving. Clue number 6. Copernicus knew that 6 planets closest to the sun are Venus, which is here, Earth, which is here, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, and Mars. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Clue number 7. There are 6 planets between Mercury and Neptune. Well, I know there's only 8, so that means that Mercury must be the very first planet closest to the sun, and Neptune must be the last one. Well, that's all my clues, so let's check out the order of the planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So are we right, boys and girls? I'm not sure. That's for you to tell me.